Hello internet friends. In this video, what am I doing? I am attaching this bulkhead to the forward bottom fuselage skins. Though I think I was a little bit premature here because there was one little piece that I needed to install inside the tunnel. There it is. And of course I took the blue vinyl off and then primed it and then installed it. So there we go. Alright, let's see, what else? I'm fully intending to start studying for my commercial written. It's been forever since I took the written test. If you don't know, there's a written test when you get your pilot's license, and then every other rating or whatever has basically the same written test, just more questions. So the instrument rating, the commercial pilot rating, and it's basically the same question bank. So, again, I need to go study because it's been forever since I've done that. And, do I even know how to read a VOR? At one point in my life I did. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to have to go study that again. Thinking of just doing a course, like a refresher course. Maybe just go do the Sporties course or King Schools, or I don't know. Well, when I got my private license, then I did King Schools, and that seemed to work. And then for instrument, I did Sporties. That also seemed to work. So either one is probably fine. And then I've been meaning to go back up in the light sport and go practice all the commercial maneuvers, but it's been super windy here in Vegas, so waiting for the wind to die down a little bit. Of course, once the wind dies down, it's going to be incredibly hot, but yeah, just it's been like gusting to 30, 35, and I'm like, nah, I don't feel like flying today. And honestly, it's been about 6 months since I last flew, which was when I went to go try the Vans demonstrator RV-14, which Mike Seeger actually was nice enough to sign me off for a flight review. So I'm not current. So yeah, I need to, I am current there, but I'm not current with my 3 touch and goes within 90 days. So I need to go do that, but I might just get an instructor to go just because it's been so long. This is kind of a cool shot. But yeah, finally I got the fuel valve the fuel valve bracket permanently installed there. I guess I should install the fuel valve and then build the fuel lines. And then that part will be done. Then I should test that somehow. I guess I've been thinking of a way to test the fuel pump there. What I'm thinking is I'll just suck gas out of a can into another can. So I'll just make a line going down to a can, and then make another line going down to another can, and then find someone on the airport that needs gas. Be like, here's the gas. Because I don't have anything to burn avgas in. So, and I only need probably like 2 gallons or something for the test. And basically all I want to test is that the fuel pump works, number 1. And number 2, that the lines don't leak, because that's important. You don't want lines to leak in the cabin. I mean, you don't want them to leak anywhere, but especially not in the cabin, because that's where you have to be. Alright, so here's a quick life pro tip for anyone buying vehicles off of Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, and I know I'm an idiot. We already know this. So I bought those 3 dirt bikes for the kids that you see in the background there. And one of them I got here local in Boulder City off of Facebook Marketplace. I've just been trolling Facebook Marketplace for 110 sized motorcycles. And it's a perfect entry dirt bike because it's automatic clutch, so you just twist the throttle, blah blah blah, right? So I bought one 6 months ago, and then I was like, I really want to take all 3 boys riding, so I had just been trolling Facebook Marketplace, and finally 2 bikes became available. So anyway, I went to go pick it up. Guy was nice enough to actually bring it over to the airport because I didn't have the truck. So that was nice, but I forgot to have him sign the title. So now, luckily, I know where they live because I went over to their house, but they're not responding on Facebook anymore, probably because they sold the bike. And yeah, so now I'm gonna have to go knock on their door and be like, "Can you sign this title?" This is not awkward in any way. So yeah, life pro tip: when you buy vehicles off of Facebook Marketplace, make sure they sign the title. I mean, I have the title, but they handed it to me, and I didn't check that it was signed. So yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh, and one more, Josh is the idiot, and then we're done with that. I forgot to rivet the bulkhead to the tunnel covers first before I did these ribs. So now I need to get a 8-inch rivet set because I can't bend them out of the way. So I ordered that from Yard Store because spruce is apparently out until next week. So yeah, when that happens, then I'll be done with this front piece here. Anyway, if you are also riveting stuff, come join us on our RV Slack group. The link is in the description of this video. And I'll see you in the next one.
I love